So why'd you take us here to the middle of Texas? We heard there was a couple of grave robbings, so we decided to go out and see if our granddad's grave had been robbed. Nah, it's fine. So now we're going to our old house. Yeah, it was near the old Sawyer house. No one's lived there for a while, though. Yeah, I never knew why that was, though. Wait, you don't know the story? You sure you're from Texas? No. What story? Well, a few years ago there was this boy called Thomas Sawyer. He was a good kid. He was raised by a horrible family, though. They were all chainsaw murderers and cannibals. They really wanted Thomas to join them. He didn't see the point in it. He valued human life. That led to his family being horrible to him. His mother was the worst one. His brothers were pieces of crap. He had no idea where his father was. He was at work all day. The only person he could look up to was his grandfather. So when he died, poor Thomas, he just snapped. He took the chainsaw, revved it up, and killed his whole family. Started with his mother, chopped up the body and turned her head into a mask. He put it on, and then killed his two brothers. His father got home from work. He murdered him too. Cooked the bodies, sat down at the dining room table, and ate them all. It's poetic irony when you think about it. Thomas Sawyer was no more. Now, his name was Leatherface. Legend is, if anyone goes near the Sawyer house, Leatherface will come after you, turn your face into a mask, or cook and eat you. If you get eaten, you're considered one of the lucky ones. Oh, come on, Kirk. You really expect us to believe all that crap? I'm just telling a story, Pam. Maybe it's true, maybe it isn't. Would explain why no one's lived at the Sawyer house for years, though. You know, we're actually not that far from that house. If you think this story is true, why don't you go in there and see Leatherface? Because I don't want to die and get eaten or turned into a mask. If this is real, then that whole thing's gonna happen. Oh, come on, the story is not true. We're almost at the house. Go in there and I'll prove it to you. Alright, fine. I'll go in there, but if the story is true, my blood'll be on your hands. Even if you do die, it won't take me that long to find a new boyfriend. I'll just walk into a bar and 5 minutes later, boom! Well, Sally, they almost went the whole trip without arguing. Franklin, shut up. Alright, this is the house. Out you get. Fine, I will. Hello? Anyone in here? Any flesh mask wearing lunatics gonna chop me up with a chainsaw? Thought not. Huh. You know, for an abandoned house, it's actually pretty nice in here. Maybe I should talk to a lawyer thinking about buying it. Yeah. Maybe I could finally move out of my mom's house. You know, Kirk's been in there a while. You don't think that whole Leatherface story is true and he's dead? For God's sake, of course not. He's just got held up. Watch, I'm gonna walk in that house and we're both gonna come out completely fine. Hello? Anyone in here? This isn't funny. I know you're here. I know you're not dead. This isn't funny. Come out now. What the hell is that? It's fine. It's just a joke. Right? Do not go out there. Why? Oh, I get it. This is all a big joke. You pretended to not care about that whole Leatherface story, but you knew the story all along. You and Kirk are in on it, and you're just trying to freak us out. No! The story was right all along. Leatherface is out there. He's just killed him. Oh, come on. You really expect me to believe that crap?
Oh my God!